This is Scott the Fix-It Guy. Our goal with our videos is to empower you to be able to do the repairs on your own and save a whole lot of money and also get that great feeling of having fixed it by yourself.
Today we have a Viking range where the knobs keep falling off, and this is an easy way to fix it. So sometimes a little spring piece inside the knob falls off and gets lost. So I'm cutting out a little piece of a business card, and I got about an inch here. It's probably 1/8 of an inch in width, and I'm going to push it into the knob about halfway in the bottom part of the knob, and I'll push the knob onto the stem, and I'll wiggle and push in. Give it a little bit of a thump with the heel of hand, and it's super solid. It's not going to come off unless you really pull. So those are on really good. And then that one just falls right off, so we'll go ahead and do that same treatment. So just using a little piece of a business card and make it about an eighth of an inch. I'm going to make it a little bit rounded. Put that in the bottom of the knob about halfway in, halfway out. Put it on the stem and then push and wiggle, and then you've fixed your knobs and you don't have to buy new ones.
Thanks so much for watching our video. We really appreciate your support. And when you get a chance, please press the subscribe button below so you can be subscribed, and also the notification bell so we can send you more videos about appliance repair. Please also give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. If you really liked the video and it really helped you, please press this new applaud button and you can show your support and also get a nice clapping hands for your video. Thanks again.